the upper control arm on this side. This side's a little more difficult. If you got the ABS model, you got this here. Then every 94 to 97 Honda Accord in this model, you're gonna have to move the fuse box. Now I already removed the 10 millimeter that goes there, 10 millimeter that goes there, and then the 10 millimeter that goes here. Then once we move that, we can expose the nut for the upper control arm on this side. And then this one's just a little difficult, not too bad, but I'll take off the cover there. And then we should be able to loosen up a clip back here on the fuse box. You push it outwards that way, you should be able to get that out. And then we have the other nut down there. It's a little hidden. We're gonna deal with those now. Those 17s. So come back over here on this side. This is gonna be kind of difficult to do. We got this here. There we go. We're able to get that one out. So we got these two 17s removed. So those are loosened from there. I'm gonna go ahead and raise the vehicle. It looks like this bottom bolt here is held in with a lock nut instead of a castle nut with a cotter pin. So this isn't the correct nut for this one. This was a 15 millimeter. Okay, so same deal here. You fit these through these bolts through the back there. Then you're able to grab bolts, and I am over the and both reaching fender up side. Perfect. Then we get this here. Go with that bad boy. Like so. We're going to use a castle nut for this one. Okay. And we got the bolt hole, the cotter pin hole lined up. So we're back up at the top here. This is the nut that I had put in while I was down there. Then this is the other nut here. There you have it. We got both nuts in. We will raise this up here. those down. And we're all set. So get this clip back in place, like so. Get up the 10mm bolt. And the last 10mm bolt on this side. Everything back in place. Got the fuse box cover. We're done here.